What's up, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. All right. If you're here for the very first time, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys. For everybody else, welcome back. All right. Today, we're going to talk about this amazing program that I've been promoting for a while. They offer a strategy, okay, that you can use to help you make $247 commissions over and over and over. All right, but before we get into that, I want to do a little history because I've got a lot of new followers, a lot of new subscribers that just recently got on board, and they're really not aware of the history, okay, on YouTube. Far as I'm concerned, they see a lot of the new programs. So before we get into this postcard strategy for M.A.P, let me take you back, because some folks may say, well, what is she talking about? I haven't seen her. I don't know if she really know anything about postcards. Okay, little history. When I first came online in 2012, okay, I tried to learn internet marketing. I failed at it miserably. Okay, I had no idea. Okay, I knew I had a program that I wanted to promote. I was in network marketing. Okay, and then I had some other programs I got involved with, and I was excited about it, and I was like, oh, I want to learn how to do it online. It's just not that simple. So I failed miserably, didn't understand funnels, all the things that go along with learning to market online. However, I was successful, and I found my success with postcard marketing. Okay, that's how I found my success. I started with direct mail, mailing postcards. That seemed to work for me, and that's how I got the name, the Postcard Diva. A few folks that was following me gave me that name, sort of. They said it, and then I just picked it up from there. Okay, and if you look back, that's what I'm going to give you, a little history, so you can see this was my main deal. Okay, I'm an expert at postcard marketing. And then later, I found out and learned internet marketing, the skill. Because once you learn the skill, you can promote anything. All right, so I'm going to show you some history on my channel so you can go back and look. And you can see that I definitely know postcard marketing. So when I tell you this is a great way to promote this program, it is. So let's take a look. Okay, so we're on my channel. Okay, you see me right here, right? So I basically just gonna scan through postcard marketing on my channel so you can see I know what I'm talking about. Okay, some of you that know this say, okay, I've seen her open tons and tons of these type of envelopes. Okay, you've seen me open a lot of these, right? And then let me show you some of these white envelopes that you've seen me open from WTM, right? Whole bunch of these. You see these? It's just a handful. I've got stacks and boxes of these, okay? So we're going to thumb through the channel so you can see that I know postcard marketing. Look at here. Go back and you can type that in and you will still find me here. Okay, all these envelopes. Okay, I even go back, look at this one, 5 years ago. Postcard networking, that was one I was involved in. Okay, so just a quick glimpse, all these postcard programs, guys, that I have had success in and still to this day have success with postcard marketing because I've mastered it. Okay, because that's the way that I found success. I didn't understand the internet marketing. Okay. But I now have them both, so I have the best of both worlds. But I'm telling you, postcard marketing, don't sleep on it. It works, but you have to work it. But look at here, okay? So just wanted you to see, you can go check my channel and see me opening plenty envelopes. Here's a $231 day, okay? On and on and on. So this is one of my first niches that I found success. Here's another program I'm no longer promoting, but it's still around. Okay, so Easy Profit 100, you may know me from that one. 4 years ago. Okay, so I definitely know postcard marketing. Okay, I'm saying that just so I can show you guys proof of these programs that I've been in. Another big one that I had, Impact Mailing Club. I was a part of that one. Okay, so I know this field. So anyway, let's get back to what we're here to talk about. Okay, so back to why we're here. So this program offers this strategy. This is just one strategy, guys. There's many ways, but we're just talking about direct mail. So I've got some notes I'm going to be looking at. How to make $247 offline. Okay, over and over, mailing postcards using an online automated system, because this system is online. Even though you're going to mail the postcards, you're going to send people to your capture page that they give you. They give you a few that you can select from. So you're going to do that. All right. So here are the cards. I want you to see this. First, you are going to get a domain. You need to go buy a domain. Go to GoDaddy.com, get you one. Talk to me. Let's have a conversation. I'll tell you how this needs to flow. Okay. So you're going to get your domain first, but then you're going to pick one of these cards. You're going to let M.A.P know, the admin know, which card you want. So here's one. I think it's 5 back here. There's 1. There's 2. This is the one I have right here. These strange times. 2. Okay. Here's the other one. That's 3. The recession proof. 4. This one right here. These things are scams. And 5, the stupid simple system. So the cards are already here. You just pick the template of the one you want. Notify the admin which one you want. But you need to get a domain first, because they're going to give you your template, right? Your master copy, and they're going to ask you for the domain so they can put it on your card when they email you your master copy. Okay? So then you can buy your leads right back here. You can order your labels. You also, we have a company, if you're interested in them doing everything, done for you mailing. They'll put the stamp on, the label on, and they'll mail them out for you without you having to do anything. Just pay for that. That's the done for you services. All right. So this right here, guys, is powerful. Okay. Because it's not a lot of competition offline. People are going to their mailbox every day though. Right. So let's talk about this real quick. You're going to get that domain. Okay. You're going to pick a capture page. Let me show you those. This is the one I recommend. Well, that I'm using, let's say. 1 or 2, I think is great. This one, and then the recession. Let's see. The recession proof one is another great one. Hang on a second here. These messages are coming in. Okay. So this one right here, or the recession proof one. Okay, so you're going to get that domain. You're going to have it point to, let's say for an example, this page. So when folks get the card in the mail, they go to the domain, it goes here. Now you're capturing the lead, name and email. And the system is automated because it's going to send out an email to your prospects on your behalf. So that's what I mean. You're going to use offline to market, and you're sending them online to the automated system that's going to do the selling and telling. Okay? Because they're going to get that sales video that's going to explain the program. But the system is going to follow up with them. Okay? You're going to order your leads. You're going to make a budget for your mailings. Okay? Set your budget, and you start mailing consistently. Now, hang on a second. Now, for everyone that joins me in this program, if you want to do the mailing, because what I plan on doing, and I said this before, everybody that joins, I'm going to send traffic for you on your first ad. I'm going to run traffic. But if you decide, hey, I don't really want the traffic, I want to mail postcards, well, I will mail you 200 leads on pill and stick labels. Okay, I'm looking at my notes. That's what you want to do. That will be your 200 leads I'll mail to you. Okay, then of course I'm going to share my resources, such as my mailing list, because I have a mailing list of companies where you can get leads. Okay, and a couple printing companies. Yes, the company here will give you this as well, but I have my own resources that I will share with you as well. I don't use the same ones over and over. You know, I rotate them. Okay, so yes, you're going to get that here in the back office. but I have additional resources that I will share with you guys. As I said, you've seen in the past, mailing is my thing. That's what I found the success in, so I know that, okay? So I'm going to share those resources with you, the mailing list companies and the printing companies, okay? In addition to what you're going to get here, because they are going to give you printing company here. You can order your leads here as well. But again, if you want to do this as your strategy, just let me know and I will mail you 200 leads, okay? So I definitely think this is a great way to promote M.A.P, to earn these 247 commissions, because again, the system is automated. So when folks go through the funnel, okay, they watch this video. Let's go to that video. Okay, they opt in, they get this video, right? And it explains everything, and it offers them all these bonuses. All these bonuses. 4 bonuses. The 4th one is in the video. You got to watch it. But they talk about the 3 right here. 3 bonuses is on the page, but the 4th one is in the video, which you need to go watch. www.besteasyworkincome.com. Okay, so the person mails they get the postcard in the mail. They go to your domain, which goes to your capture page. Boom. They get this page. All right, they're going to watch this video. They're going to get excited. They're going to read over this. What is this all about? They see all these bonuses they're going to get. They decide to join you. Okay, and you see my name is on here. I've already made sales with this program as proof. The owner put this on here. Okay, they watch this 1-page closing funnel. They get all the details here. Okay, it even breaks down the comp plan. Well, how they get paid. Everything is here. Okay, so if they decide to hit this button and go ahead and join, they're going to send you $247 and they're going to send the company $33. You're going to get notified from your payment processor that you have $247, whether it's Cash App, Venmo, whatever ways that you specified in your profile. The payments are going to be automatic. So that's why it's automated. Okay, so that's when I say automated, that's what I mean. Okay, so you've mailed the postcards, your prospects get them in the mail, they go to the website, they decide to join, they click this button, you're going to be paid instantly. All you're going to need to do then is just email them. Okay, send them their welcome email so they can get access, mark them paid, so they can get access to the system, and then they will go through the back office where it says get started. Very simple. But the point of the matter is the mailing, direct mail will work. Okay. Matter of fact, direct mail works for everything, guys. Doesn't matter whether you're a dentist, you're a doctor. I get postcards all the time in the mail from dentists, doctors, restaurants. Okay. So it definitely works. But they have it already set up here for you. Just pick your card. Let's go back over there. Pick the card you want. They'll email it to you. And you can just contact the printing company to get them printed. Now check with me first, because I think the company that I deal with can beat the cost of the one that they have in the back office. But either way, we will get you in touch with a printing company that's going to work for you. And it's here though. Okay. So the point of the matter is, you have what you need here. Order your postcards, get your leads. I'll mail you your first batch of leads, get your stamps, and start mailing. This will work for you. Then you don't even have to worry about online marketing if that's an issue or challenge for you. All right, guys. Now, with that being said, thank you so very much. Please like the video. Please smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right. For everybody else, see you on the next video. You guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day. If you have any questions, give me a call, but please go to that link, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Get started. See you on the inside. Have a blessed day.